Guys, check this out. My tire blew up. It didn't blow up, but these roads in New York suck, guys. I hate this place now. Like, seriously. That's why I moved out. Check this out. It's, well, it was rubbing against the wheel itself. That's why the vinyl came off. Usually the vinyl's been there for like a year now, over a year. But it came off only because of the heat and it's rubbing against the tire. So check this out. It's all flat. I think the tire's ruined, obviously, because look, it's all opened over there. That's just crazy. And now my nephew's helping me out put it up, the jack. That's how you gotta use the one in emergency, the one that you guys have. And luckily, I actually never checked if I had a spare tire. I actually do. That's a spare tire right there. So I'm about to go ahead and swap this on and see if they got the tire shop right behind the block. I'm about to see if they actually got one. So that's my welcome to visiting Queens, guys. That was my welcome. So what can I say? It's part of life, right? But it's kind of sad to see that. And I guess I have to redo this because that just looks ugly now. This vinyl is coming off. It just looks ugly. I'm gonna redo that too and make a video on it, how I did it. A lot of people have been saying that they're getting one that was not fitting, so I'm gonna try another seller and see if it fits. I'll let you guys know in the upcoming videos. But oh my god. All right, stay tuned, keep watching. I'm gonna see if I find a tire. All right, so it's swapped. All we do is drop that onto it. Luckily, it already has air in it. I should have checked if it does have air before I even, you know, do anything, but it does have air. I just checked it. That's how it should come. Push it in a bit more and then make it all tight. Just teaching my nephew. And then he's gonna tighten him up. Finally at the shop, getting that bad boy on. There we go. Now we're off to balancing
every tire,
it.
You know,
Every time they do a tire change, they gotta do balancing, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
Every tire weighs different. So
Right. If you guys change tires and they don't balance it for you, you're at the wrong shop.
you have
Yeah, that's a must.
But I learned how to work with it, you know? Like it would tell you to...
You gotta enter the width,
Sometimes
the diameter, and the size of the rim.
Sometimes you leave 20, 25
Nice,
off,
we're good to go.
and it will still come to...
Finally, guys, it's done. There you go. I'm just glad it wasn't like so many, like two of those. It's just one tire. Alright guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And I appreciate the support you guys provide to me. And I hope you guys learned something from the video when it comes to changing the tires, you know.